YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don914, back to bring you another review, back with some more kicks. So this one I'm pretty excited about. As you can see, this box is huge. That's because there's two pair of shoes that's in this box. So if you looked at the title of the video, of course we're going to be unboxing and reviewing, and we're going to do an on foot of the Marvel Deadpool and Wolverine Adidas collaboration. These shoes went pretty quick. They sold out. I mean, it's funny because they released at like 3 a.m. on the Adidas website. I just so happened to wake up at like 3:50. There was a couple sizes left. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get my size on the Deadpool. I got a size 5 just to show y'all, what it looked like in hand, because I don't see too many reviews on YouTube about this shoe right now. So I kind of wanted to at least get that pair to show you what it looks like. Now, the Wolverine pair, I did get in my size, a size 10. So I will be doing an on foot of that. So, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. I didn't even want to open it. I just got this box today. I didn't even want to open the package until, I got down here and was able to get this video popping. So let's go ahead and unbox the shoe right now. So, if you haven't seen the movie just yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, because it's an awesome movie. I've seen it twice already. And each time, it was great. So if you're a fan of Deadpool, you're a fan of Wolverine, you're a fan of Marvel, then this movie is definitely for you, in my humble opinion. So let's get it cracking. So here's the first box. Of course, this is the size 5, as you can see. Second box out. And this is my personal size 10. As you can see, dope box. Yeah, so I'm really excited to go ahead and jump into this review. So, if this is your first time joining the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. And without further ado, let's get into the review. All right, so we're gonna start off with the smaller pair, of course, since I can't fit these, but I just want to give you a look of, what they look like. So you get this tannish brownish box. You get the Adidas logo with the Marvel logo on the top of the lid. On the side of the lid, you got your Adidas Marvel logo there as well. You got Marvel here on the side of the box, and on the bottom of the box, you got the Adidas branding on the bottom of the box. And on this side of the box, you got the sizing label, and you got your Marvel and Adidas at the top, and it reads Rivalry Low Marvel, size US 5. Open the box, nothing on the top of the lid, but you do have some Marvel brandage there and Adidas as well. On that side of the box, you should have Adidas paper. Go ahead and take the shoes out real quick, and they should come individually wrapped as well. And here's what the paper should look like. You got your Adidas and Marvel logos on the paper all throughout in that reddish, orangish color. Inside of the box, you do get some type of tag here inside of the box. I don't know what that's for, but that's pretty much it when it comes to the box. Okay, put that to the side. And again, like I said, they should come individually wrapped with your white see-through paper with the Adidas in yellow. So wrap that. Damn, there go the shoe. Let me wrap the second one as well. And let's go over the left shoe first. So here you have it. The Deadpool Adidas Rivalry Low. So let's start with the outsole. Outsole, you got your Adidas outsole with the Adidas brand in there in the middle of the outsole. And if I'm not mistaken, it's kind of, I mean, it could just be me, but I don't know what the bottom of the traction looks like on a Rivalry Low Adidas, but this kind of looks like Deadpool, the black parts in Deadpool's suit almost. Then you move to the midsole. You have your Adidas here branding, and then you have your speckles going through all out the midsole, which I thought was a dope touch. As you move to the upper of the shoe, you have this red suede upper, and you can see, if you can see, it's giving a change of direction motion. So this is a nice bit of suede that's on the upper of this shoe. You got your black stripes here in that suede. The whole upper is in suede with your black stitching going throughout the upper of the shoe. As you move to the front of the shoe, you get a Deadpool handbag with the Deadpool button there on the front. And this says all the pouches, basically. Now, if that's, hopefully that's bringing that in. Now, what's crossed out, it says pouches, more pouches, and then all the pouches. That's pretty cool. And you can unbutton it and take it off. Let's see if we can go ahead and get this off. All right, yeah. Okay, yeah, so you can unbutton it and take it off. Let's open it up, see the inside looks like, okay, this is the, you know, inside of a little pouch that you can put your things in. Marvel on the back of the pouch. Let's move to the front of the shoe. You get your red lacing. They didn't come with any extra lacings. You move to the tongue of the shoe. Like I said, the whole upper of the shoe is suede. As you can see, the tongue is suede, the toe box suede with their perforated holes. Front of the tongue, you got your Adidas branding right there on the front and that suede outline. I mean, everything is plush. I mean, you can see even the change directions on the upper of the tongue as well. You got your plastic eyelets right there. Let's look at the inside. So, oh, let's show the back. So, I mean, this is the key detail. The back of the shoe, you got your Deadpool right there with the outline in this black suede. Again, plush black suede as well. I gotta say, the materials on the shoe is nice. They did go super premium with the upper of the shoe and the material. So you got your Deadpool right there, back of the shoe. And the inside of the shoe, let's see here, the back of the tongue. Okay, yeah, we got some branding on the back of the tongue. It does says Adidas Marvel on the back of the tongue here. And then the inside of the shoe, as you can see, it has all type of writing on the inside of the shoe. And let me see if I can take this out. Hold on, give me a second. So I can't take the insole out. It's pretty glued in there, but I mean, it does say, you know, like peekaboo. It basically has, if you know anything about Deadpool, you know his catchphrases. The guy, you know, he's a comedian pretty much, and he always has these, you know, certain catchphrases. So in the inside, it's got these catchphrases all throughout, like you would see in like comic books. So some of them I can read is, you know, what was that? Peekaboo. Deadpool is the greatest of all time. There at the bottom. I wonder if it says maximum effort in here. No, I don't really see that, but I do see smack inside as well. So the inside of the shoe, of course, you're gonna come with your Adidas tagging here. Make sure you got an authentic pair. And it's gonna read, you know, Rivalry Low Marvel. This is just another tag that it'll come with as well. So if we look to the right, the right shoe, actually it's the same thing, nothing different. Same upper, same branding on the right shoe as well. So this is dope. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and get into the Wolverines. All right, so it's pretty much the same with the box on the Wolverine pair, so we don't need to go through all that. Sizing tag, Rivalry Low Marvel, same sizing tag, but this is a size 10, personal pair. Let's go ahead and skip through all of the unboxing and the unwrapping. So here you have the Wolverine Marvel Low, Rivalry Low. And let's get into, I mean, yeah, this is, it's dope, man. So let's start with the outsole, same outsole as the Deadpool pair, Adidas branding in the middle. Upper of the shoe, you have an all black sole on the midsole, no speckles. If we move to the upper of the shoe, you have your hits of yellow, blue, silver, and black. And parts of the shoe is suede and parts is leather. So not like the Deadpool pair where it's all suede. You got leather on the back heel here, the middle panel, you got some suede and leather mixture, and moving around to the toe cap, you have leather as well. So wherever there's yellow is basically leather, and wherever there's black is suede, pretty much in blue, it turns back into that leather. Your 3 Adidas stripes in that blue, but what I like about that is if you look closely, they have Wolverine's 3 claws inside the 3 Adidas swooshes, which is fire. Dope detail. Blue stitching going throughout the upper. As we move to the front of the shoe, you have a suede black tongue, leather panel that's on the top of the tongue in blue, and you have that classic X-Men, I believe this is like X-Men 97 logo here on the top of the tongue. Fire. I mean, right now, man, the Wolverine pair I think is killing the Deadpool player. Even though red is my favorite color, I don't know, these are dope. Then you have that blue hit right here at the top of the toe box. You have a suede black toe box, again with that yellow yellow leather going around the cap of the toe box. Medial side of the shoe, same as the lateral side. As we move to the back, you have that Wolverine on the back of the shoe. Let's make sure it focuses. That's dope. That's dope. And it's embroidered too. So it's not like a sticker or anything like that. It's actually embroidered and indented into the shoe. Inside of the tongue, you have your Adidas Marvel branding. And the Wolverine pair does come with extra laces. Standard black laces, but on the tip of the laces, it comes with red tips. The standard black laces does come with red lace tips. And I don't know if the camera's gonna pick this up, but I'll try to bring it in close. But if you can see on the lace tip, it's probably not gonna pick it up, but it has like skink. It's like making a sound of when Wolverine deploys his claws. That's the sound that it makes, and they kind of wrote it out on the eyelet as well. See if I can get it to focus. Nah, it's definitely not gonna focus, but it's on there. Just trust me. Inside of the shoe, let's see here, you got your Marvel branding on the inside of the shoe, Marvel with your Adidas, and then another Marvel there, all black insole. So it's a little different from the Deadpool, where he, you know, of course he's the Merc with the mouth, that's his nickname. So of course they're gonna have a bunch of his catchphrases in there. Wolverine is about that business basically. So yeah. Oh, it does come with tags just like the Deadpool pair, your Adidas tagging as well. That's fire. Let me see the right shoe. Pretty much the same, nothing different. It's a dope shoe, man. Let's do this. I don't want to really give my opinion right now. Let me hop back in front of the camera and give you my honest opinion, because this is the first time I open them, I unboxed them with you. Let me give you my honest opinion of what I think about the shoe, which one I think is better, and we'll go from there and end the video off with on foot. All right, cool. So that was the review of the Wolverine and Deadpool Rivalry Low Adidas collaboration. So, you know, let me know down in the comment section below, which ones are you rocking with? Are you rocking with the Wolverine pair? Or are you rocking with the Deadpool pair? For me, red's my favorite color. You know I love a good red-black shoe, but I'm gonna have to go with the Wolverine pair. I mean, the Wolverine pair just has more details on it, in my opinion. I mean, it has the, you know, like the X-Men logo here on the top, the Wolverine in the back. It's got the claws inside the Adidas 3 stripes. I don't know, man. I think it comes with more detail, and it's versatile as far as, like, you know, I think it's, you know, it's very wearable, but also it comes with like leather and suede mix up on the shoe, which I really like. Don't get me wrong, that all suede is dope too, but you know, I do love a good leather and suede mixture on the shoe. So if I had to choose, I would go with the Wolverine pair. Now keep in mind, I did end up hitting on a restock. Now they restocked later on that next, well, not the same day, pretty much it was 3:50 in the morning when I caught my first pair, but later on in the day, around like 8 or 9 or maybe 10 o'clock, somewhere in the morning, they actually restocked a few pairs, and I was able to get my size 10. So that'll be on the way. You know, when that comes in, I'll probably just maybe just do an on foot, a quick review of that and an on foot, so you can see how the red pair, you know, Deadpool pair looks on foot as well. But you know, for today, I'm just gonna do the on foot of the Wolverine pair. Now, I know people might say, man, listen, you're a grown ass man, why are you wearing around some Marvel, you know, comic book character shoes, you know, this and that? Listen, who wants to get old? Who wants to get old, man? When you get old, what does that mean when you age and get old? That means you're closer to death. Listen, if I could stay a kid forever, I would have stayed a kid forever. Knowing what I know as an adult, man, listen, it's tough out here as an adult. There ain't no game out here, you hear me? So listen, I'm a kid at heart at the end of the day, so that's how I keep my youth going. And sometimes shoes bring them out of you, depending on, you know, what the collab is. So right now, they didn't go for that much. They retailed at $110. Right now, the resale on them, if you want a pair of these, they're all sold out. But if you want a pair, there's a couple of sizes I think left on Adidas. But resale value, they're not going for too much over retail, maybe like $30 to $40 over it right now, depending on the size. Now, who knows if that may go up, because right now the movie is busting right now. So, you know, with the popularity of the movie and this being a limited collab, prices could go up. So if I was you, maybe, I don't want to tell you what to do. I'm not a, you know, I can't predict the future or anything like that. But if I was in a position where I didn't get a pair and I really wanted a pair, I would probably pull the trigger now. Let's go ahead and hop on into the on foot. Now, I do have another pair I got to review this weekend. I got the wet cement 4s, so I will be bringing you a review of those and an on foot. So stay tuned to that. And yeah, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. Let us know, man. We want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments down below. You feeling these shoes? You're not feeling them? You know, do you have a pair? Let the people know. Comment down below. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when my videos do drop. And until the next cop, until the next drop, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rock money enough.
I know. The way I'm dipping, steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one, I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so what this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.